Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Riya Kanji. Today I'm going to create this colorful sunset inspired eyeshadow look. So without much talking, let's get started. At first I draw my eyebrow. For that, here I'm taking brow pomade from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 6. Then I'm cleaning my brows and concealing the eyelids. Today I'm going to play with this NYX Off-Tropic eyeshadow palette. There are such beautiful colors. So for today's look, I'm going to take this purple shade and applying it to my crease. Here I'm just trying to deepen my outer corner. Then I'm taking this orange shade for blending it with the purple shade. And lastly, with a little bit of yellow shade, I'm just blending my crease. Here I cut my crease. Then I'm back with the same purple shade and soften the edges. Here I'm taking this red shade for the middle of my eyelid. With that yellow shade, I'm going to fill my inner corner for creating an ombre effect. Then I'm creating a small wing and line my lower lash line with this Maybelline gel liner. With the help of this plum kajal, I'm lining my upper lash line. For the lower eye, I'm applying some purple shade right under my kajal. I'm doing the same thing that I did before for my crease. With this golden shimmery shade, I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. After that, I'm applying lash and a coat of the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara from Maybelline. And this is my final look, guys. As you can see, all the products are used in this video are linked in the description box below. Please check it. Please let me know your thoughts by commenting down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Bye guys.